Hello everyone, wanted to give an update on the 1973 CZ250. The first video was before it went to the shop or the CZ dealer in Bell, Florida. So anyway, I thought I would give an update as to what we've done since then. So it's been about 7 months and I got it back about a week ago. I've been out riding it, so it's been great. I've been enjoying getting some rides in. Was even able to take my grandkids out for rides on it, so which is kind of cool. But anyway, so I'll go through the items that we've done. The front fender was a red Preston before. We've added a white Falta with the red stripe and chrome CZ sticker, which is the same that originally came with the motorcycle on the tank. A lot of people sell what they call silver CZ stickers, but it's literally just like a silver background. It's not the shiny chrome. So those are actually really hard to find. So I was able to locate those and put that on the Falta fender. The white Falta fender came from CR Richards, if I remember correctly, and out of California. So a great guy out there, and he got a few things, including the stand as well. But he has the white Faltas in stock. So I got it, added red stripe sticker so it looks like the factory. Again, I still have the factory fender. It's in here in the shop. Those things break because they're fiberglass and that sort of stuff. So I just don't want to put it back on the bike and have something happen to it. It's not like you can go to a dealer and buy a replacement. So anyway, the inside of the tank was rusted really badly, and so that was chemically treated. They used some special products that were able to kind of acid wash the entire interior, and then an epoxy type of base that went in after it. So should be good. Sounds like it's a lifetime type of fix, which is great. So inside the tank is taken care of. Obviously new petcocks because they were in such bad shape previously. We did in fact add the Mikuni carburetor. That was a debate. We were trying to figure out whether I wanted to do that or keep the original Jikov. I still have the Jikov. I can go back to it at any time. But you know, this thing runs so nicely with the Mikuni on it, and so poorly with the damn Jikov. So best thing that's why everybody did it, right? So anyway, we've got the Mikuni on. Was able to find a new rubber tip for the CZ folding gear shifter. It was quite interesting. As I was sliding on, it actually snapped into place, which was actually kind of cool. So they well designed there. The rear shocks are adjustable and not factory, so we replaced those. I kept the factory ones, and what I did do is added the CZ Trials sticker, which were on all of the original shocks. So I added those, but obviously these shocks actually also came from CR in California. They did need to be modified to fit. Everything was, the shocks were too wide to actually slide in. So everything had to be mowed down to pop in there. So that was a little disappointing, but they're working great, which is fantastic. Added the replacement red stripe to the back, and when I found the chrome stickers, I was able to get two. So I went ahead and put the original chrome sticker over the existing chrome sticker. So the existing chrome sticker is still there, just hidden at the moment. So I probably should have taken it all off, but anyway. Also went through in the gearbox. Actually, as I go back around, the Kickstarter, the spring had failed or broken on the inside, along with a shaft issue, and I've got the whole box of bearings. So we replaced a bunch of bearings on the inside as well. So that was good to be able to get all that kind of straightened up. Although you can't see it, we did in fact install a new electronic ignition. So the old points were pulled out, and I had purchased one from Burtis back in 2002, but I had never installed it. When we went to install it, we were getting no spark. So unfortunately, we had to buy another one, which came out of England. I'm told that the ones out of England they work, but they're not the greatest. Sounds like CR may have the right one. I wish I had just bought that originally, but I did not. But it's running good, so I have really no complaints. And overall, just did a pretty nice cleanup. So it looks pretty decent at this point. It's not going to win any beauty awards, but it does look pretty good. And found a bunch of motocross tracks here in Florida, so I'm actually going to go ahead and start riding the thing here at the tracks. So I'm not going to fully restore it to make it a beauty queen. I actually just want to ride it. So it should be a lot of fun. And I'll kick-start it and get it running so everyone can see and hear it as well. I'm going to try and do this by setting the phone down. And if it doesn't fail or doesn't work, I might have to start and stop it, but we'll see how this goes. So there you go. Runs really good. Really happy to have it. We'll start hitting some motocross tracks and having some fun with it. And we'll do another video here when we start talking about the 400. And I'm actually going to do a video on the Suzuki 100 since they don't make the RM 100s anymore. So I'll do one on that one as well. But anyway, thanks. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, comments, or trying to source something, parts or whatever, I've been ordering from eBay is great. There's a couple of places that are, one in this country, US, one in Poland. Another place, Tovek or Tovar, I can't remember, out of Czechoslovakia. So I've been ordering parts from them as well. There's an additional Jawa dealer that can also get CZ motocross parts. So anyway, you know, if you have some questions or you know a stockpile of good stuff, let me know. Or if you're looking for something, be happy to reach out to all the resources that I've found and try and help somebody out. So anyway, hope Hope you enjoy. Thanks. Bye.